The battery station for the TB50 intelligent battery solves battery charging, storage, and transportation needs all at the same time. How to use the DJI Battery Station. As well as the TB50 battery charger port, there are also two 20 to 26 volt 3 ampere DC out charging ports and two 5 volt 2 ampere USB charging ports on DJI Battery Station. Connect the DJI Battery Station power port to an AC power outlet with the AC cable. Insert a TB50 battery that needs charging. Press the power button to turn on the battery station. How to use the charging mode. Toggle the status switch to the left, CHG. Now the battery station is charging. There are 3 charging modes. Toggle status switch to the left, 1, then press the OK button. The DJI charging station is now in normal charging mode. Toggle the status switch to the right, 2, then press the OK. The charging station is now in quick charging mode. The user can activate silent mode by pressing the menu button in normal charging mode. How to use the discharging mode. Toggle the status switch to the right, DSG. The charging station is now in discharging mode. There are 2 discharging modes. Toggle status switch to the right, 2, then press the OK button. The battery level will be discharged to 50% for long-term storage and transportation. Toggle the status switch to the left, 1, then press the OK button. The battery level will be discharged to 25% for transportation and storage. The battery station generates a lot of heat when discharging. Please open the cover to ensure that the ventilation grill is not covered. During the charging and discharging process, the battery station's display screen will show each battery's real-time charging or discharging information in the corresponding place. The battery information includes battery level, voltage, and current. You can also press the menu button and select battery information to see more details about your batteries, such as cycle time and battery cell voltage. You can press the up and down buttons to cycle through the battery's information. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.